Netflix co-CEO believes AI will generate valuable creator tools, enhancing storytelling capabilities. While the long-term impact on content remains unclear, Sarandos emphasizes AI's potential to improve quality rather than just reduce costs. He draws parallels with animation's evolution. Next, Google has launched Project Oscar, an open-source platform for AI agents. This initiative aims to provide developers with tools and resources to create and experiment with AI agents, potentially accelerating innovation in the field of artificial intelligence. AMD's cutting-edge AI chips are powering HP's next-gen laptop, the OmniBook Ultra. This powerhouse device leverages AMD's advanced AI processing capabilities to deliver enhanced performance and efficiency. The integration of AI chips in consumer laptops marks a significant step to more capability. Meta has suspended the release of AI models in the EU due to regulatory concerns. This decision highlights the growing challenges tech companies face in navigating complex AI regulations across different regions. Meta's move underscores the need for clearer guidelines and harmonized policies. Stay informed on the latest AI and tech news. Follow us on social media and subscribe to our AI in Heels newsletter for regular updates of emerging trends and breakthroughs in the world of AI technology, and receive exclusive contents, perks, deals, and free courses. Comment AI to receive the link.